Your computer is about to start doing your actual chores. But the road to that future is split between two very different philosophies. On one side, you have a polished powerhouse built by a developer who already hit a $100 million exit. On the other, you have an experimental system that literally builds its own tools as it works. It sounds like a dream, but then you look at the fine print and see a cryptocurrency token attached to the project. That is where the red flags start waving. Let's talk about the first option called Openclaw. This tool is slick. It is built by Peter Steinberger, a guy who knows how to scale software. It connects to your machine through apps you already use like Telegram or Discord. It is free under a standard open source license, though you still pay for the brainpower it uses. The community response has been massive. Millions of people checked it out in a single week. The creator even joined the team at OpenAI recently. It feels like the safe, professional choice for a personal assistant. Then you have Agent Zero. This one feels like it came out of a secret lab. It does not just run code. It writes its own code. It creates its own tools on the fly. It even spawns smaller subagents to break down huge tasks into tiny pieces. If you tell it to research a topic, it creates 5 tiny workers to find the facts, and then 1 worker to write the report. It is technically impressive, and the Linux Foundation even took notice of its architecture. It runs in a protected sandbox to keep your files safe. But here is the massive divide. When scammers tried to launch a fake coin for the first project, the developers shut it down and banned all crypto talk. They wanted to stay clean and focused. Agent Zero did the exact opposite. They launched an official token on a secondary network. They have staking and governance and a white paper that reads like a financial gamble. The market cap is already in the millions. This creates a strange incentive structure. Does the software exist to help you? Or does it exist to drive up the value of a digital coin? Analysts are already calling it a bearish situation with no proven revenue streams. Beyond the money, there are real security risks to weigh. One tool has been flagged for leaving certain parts of your system exposed to the open web. The other explicitly warns you in its own documentation that it can be dangerous to your computer and your accounts. This is the reality of giving an AI the keys to your machine. If you want something supported by a massive community and a founder with a proven track record, the first option is the winner. If you want the absolute edge of what is possible and do not mind the crypto baggage, the second one is there for you. I spend my time digging through these projects because the hype often hides the truth. I want to make sure you know exactly what you are installing before you give it access to your life. If this investigation helped you make a choice or saved you from a bad investment, then I have done my job. I avoid the corporate sponsors so I can tell you the truth about which products are actually worth your time and which ones are just expensive distractions. You can help keep these deep dives going by using the shopping links I provide. It does not cost you anything extra, but it helps fund the hours of research that go into every single one of these reviews. Stay skeptical and keep your data safe. I will keep watching the charts in the code to see which of these assistants actually becomes the standard. It is a wild race to the finish line. Every week there is a new update that changes the game. Make sure you are choosing the tool that serves you and not a group of investors.